generate reports, analyze data, build presentations, create documents, and automate repetitive work with a single prompt. Turn ideas into executive presentations. Simply describe what you need. Meridyen AI creates professional presentations with charts, visuals, insights, and polished layouts, beautifully designed and ready to present, so you can focus on your message, not formatting. No more switching between tools. No more repetitive work. Just ask, and let your AI workforce handle the rest. That's the power of Meridyen AI. Let Meridyen AI help every team work faster, make smarter decisions, and achieve more every single day. Streamline your document generation with Meridyen AI's Word Creator. Whether you're producing comprehensive quarterly reports, academic research papers, or detailed status updates, our AI handles the entire complexity for you. Simply prompt the Word Creator to generate structured documents, complete with interactive tables of contents, financial tables, and dynamic charts. Our platform ensures that professional formatting and real-time data-driven insights are integrated directly into your Word documents instantly. Creating professional Excel reports no longer takes hours. In just minutes, you can transform complex data into professional financial dashboards and reports. Simply describe what you need, and Meridyen AI builds complete Excel workbooks and reports simply by typing in your text. Get income statements, revenue charts, and detailed variance analysis instantly. It provides real-time insights, from revenue growth to budget variances across all your product lines. With Meridyen AI's agentic tasks, you can automate these entire workflows, ensuring every formula is accurate and every visual is board-ready. It's proactive management at your fingertips, empowering you to lead the competition with data-driven confidence. No more manual data entry or complex spreadsheet errors. Stop building spreadsheets manually. Start making decisions faster with Meridyen AI.